I'm gonna mix me a bleach, some bleach and some detergent, and spray it on there and let it sit, and then power wash it down and have this looking brand new again, and put some type of sealant down. All right, y'all, as you can see here, this is the after view here. I think I'm gonna put one more coat of sealant down. See here, I got the new reflectors here. I think it did a pretty good job, y'all. I think it did a good job on here. Alright, y'all, if y'all like the video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And always, thank you for watching Big J's Affordable Lawn Care. Alright.